Sublimation cutting board, and I wanted to show you guys how to sublimate on them. Now, I got these from Amazon, and they're by a company called York. I've got them in the past, and these work very well for me. They're 11 by 8. They're the perfect size for what I need today. I got them in a pack of 10, and they came packaged in a box, 2 in each box, for a total of 10. And they come with the non-slip pads, so it doesn't slide when you're cutting. Now, these are pretty good. Like I said, I've used them in the past. The main problem with these is that you have to remember to not mirror your image. I made that mistake already once before. So when you're printing your image out, if you have your settings already set for mirrored, undo it, because it cannot be mirrored. It has to be the right way. And the reason why it's like that is because you see the part that's textured. This is the part that you would cut your items with. But the back part, which is the white part, that's where you would put the image. And the image will come through to the front, if that makes sense. So you sublimate here, but then the image shows through. So that's the reason why you don't want it to be reversed, because it'll show up as backwards at that time if you do it that way. So that's the main thing, to always remember to take it off of mirror when you're doing that. Now these take a little bit longer under the heat press. So the temp for these, I put it at 370 degrees, but then I sublimate for 220 seconds. And I think that comes out to 3 minutes and a couple of seconds. Let me see if I have it here. Yeah, it comes out to 3.6 minutes at 220 seconds. And I found that that was the right temp and the right amount of time for these. Now, of course, they're tempered glass, so you want medium pressure. You don't want to risk cracking it under the heat press. So I do it medium, just so that way it presses evenly across the thing and at the same pressure, because if not, you'll have some ghosting and things going on. So we're going to try to avoid that, and we're going to put it on medium, closer to high pressure, just enough that it doesn't crack underneath the press. So now I'm going to get it all taped up. I'm going to press it for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how good these turn out. So I'll be right back. I'm going to put the link in the description for if you want to buy some of your own to make, do your own little DIY. or I'll put the link to my website if you want to purchase one of your own. Thanks for watching.